Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to have you guys back. I am super excited you guys to be doing this DIY video for you guys today. It is my romantic floral and candle vase centerpiece using a floral wreath, and it is so easy to make, you guys. It's super beautiful. It's so romantic. It is going to blow you guys away. There are 4 different ways I'm going to show you how I arrange it on the table as a wedding centerpiece. You can use it for any weddings, any parties. So you do not want to miss how I'm going to arrange it on the table. So please, you guys, stay tuned and watch this video thoroughly towards the end.
Feeling
This looks so beautiful and romantic and so elegant. The roses look so beautiful. The pop of red, the peach, the pop of pink. It looks super amazing with the beautiful hydrangeas. These silk flowers look so real. It looks so elegant and so beautiful. They look amazing in person. I wish you guys were here to see it, how it looks in person. And the vases used in this arrangement is gold trimmed clear glass candle holders with twisted stems. It looks super beautiful. I love it. Next, we got table decor wedding centerpiece arrangement number 2. This is a floating candles inside cylinder hurricane vases. And the inches I have in those vases are 20 inch, 16 inch, and 9 inch hurricane cylinder vases. Just look how amazing that looks. The great thing about doing this floral wreath, I purchased these beautiful silk flowers at Michael's. They were on sale for like $5, but I also had some of those flowers as well that I had recycled from my last video, and I love it because it pretty much goes with basically any flowers that you use, and it looks so beautiful and so real. I love it so much. Table decor number 3. This is just a beautiful hurricane vase that I have sit around the house. I just put a candle in there and it looks so nice, surrounded by this beautiful flower rain, and I love how it came out to be. For you guys who do not like tall centerpieces, you just like simple and elegant, well, this might be for you. Over you. And for the final table decor wedding arrangement, this is my DIY candlestick holders. As you can see, I added some floating candles inside. It looks so amazing, it looks so beautiful, and it was super easy to make. You saw that I make those candlesticks in the beginning of the video. I also put some tea light into my floral ring to bring out the colors some more, to make the colors look more vibrant, to light up the floral wreath. This part is totally optional. It's up to you if you want to do that part. In the comment section below, let me know which centerpiece decoration you love the best. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Don't forget to share this video. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. I truly appreciate you guys. You guys are truly awesome. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for all my new subscribers and all my old subscribers that's been here since day one. I am so humbled at all the positive feedback you guys leave on my channel. You guys are truly amazing. Just know that all things are possible if you put your mind to it. Bye, guys.